Honor's Magic 7 series debuts with Snapdragon 8 Elite in both models, bringing AI advancements, different daily tasks. NPU compute power for a variety of AI functions that goes from a digital assistant, translation, editing to improvements to camera processing. It features a powerful 200 megapixel telephoto camera with 68mm lens and 3x optical zoom, extending up to 100x digitally, and front 3D face scanner for secure biometric unlocking. The display reaches 5,000 nits in HDR. Both models feature 100-watt wired and 80 watts wireless charging with 5850 mAh. The phone includes a side-mounted USB-C port for unobstructed gaming, a programmable mini LED matrix, and the return of the air trigger system for additional controls. The side port supports DisplayPort 1.4 for video output, and the air trigger system allows for customizable motion controls and advanced tap recognition, ensuring that gamers have the flexibility they need for a superior gaming experience. The Aero Active Cooler X, bundled with the high-end edition, provides enhanced cooling, RGB lighting, and extra button inputs, ensuring optimal performance during long gaming sessions. It is simple to attach with a spring-loaded latch mechanism and efficiently cools both the phone and the user's hands, which makes a huge difference for those extended gaming marathons. Despite its compact size, it outperforms last year's cooler, providing better cooling without the bulk. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, with up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, it delivers industry-leading gaming performance, excellent thermal management, and high benchmark scores. The new chipset improves both peak and sustained performance, ensuring smooth gameplay even during intensive sessions. With up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, users can store numerous games and media, all while enjoying reduced load times and a fluid gaming experience. When it comes to dimensions, the Honor Magic7 Pro measures 162.7mm in length, while the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro is slightly longer at 163.8mm. This difference may seem minimal, but it can affect how the devices feel in hand during prolonged use. In terms of weight, the Honor Magic7 Pro weighs 223 grams, making it a bit lighter compared to the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro, which weighs 225 grams. The difference is negligible, but the lighter design of the Honor device may enhance portability. The Honor Magic7 Pro features a 6.8-inch display, slightly larger than the 6.78-inch screen on the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. This extra space on the Honor device can provide a more immersive viewing experience, especially for gaming and media consumption. The main camera setup on the Honor Magic7 Pro includes a robust 50 megapixel wide lens, a 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, and a 50 megapixel ultrawide lens. This versatile configuration excels in capturing detailed images across various scenarios. In contrast, the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro has a 50 megapixel wide lens, a 32 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 13 megapixel ultrawide lens. While the Asus setup also delivers great results, the higher resolution telephoto lens on the Honor allows for superior detail in distant shots. For internal memory, the Honor Magic7 Pro offers options of 256 GB with 12 GB RAM, 512 GB with 16 GB RAM, and a whopping 1 TB with 16 GB RAM. On the other hand, the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro provides 512 GB with 16 GB RAM and 1 TB with a staggering 24 GB RAM. The Asus variant is particularly appealing for heavy multitaskers and gamers due to its increased RAM. The Honor Magic7 Pro boasts a resolution of 1280 by 2800 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of approximately 453 ppi. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro, however, has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, translating to about 388 ppi. The higher pixel density on the Honor device contributes to sharper and more vibrant visuals, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The Honor Magic7 Pro is powered by an octa-core CPU with a combination of 2 high-performance cores and 6 efficient cores. In comparison, the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro utilizes an octa-core CPU with a higher clock speed. While both perform exceptionally well, the Honor's architecture may provide a balanced performance suitable for various tasks. In terms of battery capacity, the Honor Magic7 Pro features a 5850 mAh battery, which is larger than the 5500 mAh battery found in the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. This means that the Honor device may offer longer usage times between charges, a crucial factor for power users. The Honor Magic 7 Pro leads with a 50-megapixel selfie camera equipped with advanced features like Tough 3D for depth sensing. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro, while featuring a capable 32-megapixel selfie camera, may not capture the same level of detail and depth in portraits as the Honor device. This makes the Honor a better choice for selfie enthusiasts. The Honor Magic 7 Pro features a glass front made of rhino glass and a glass back, providing a premium feel. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro, on the other hand, uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for the front and Gorilla Glass for the back, coupled with an aluminum frame. While both devices boast solid build quality, the use of Gorilla Glass on the Asus enhances durability and scratch resistance. The Honor Magic 7 Pro's main camera includes advanced features like laser autofocus, LED flash, and periscope telephoto capabilities, allowing for stunning photography, especially in low-light conditions. In contrast, the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro offers gimbal OIS and HDR10 Plus for video, making it a strong contender for videography enthusiasts. The Honor's advanced features may appeal more to those focused on still photography. The Honor Magic 7 Pro includes a range of selfie features such as portrait mode and night scene mode, enhancing the quality of self-portraits. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro provides HDR and panorama modes, but the depth-sensing capabilities of the Honor device give it an edge in creating more dynamic selfies. The Honor Magic 7 Pro runs on Android 15 with Magic OS 9, while the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro operates on Android 14 with promises of up to 2 major Android upgrades. The latest OS on the Honor device may provide more features and optimizations right out of the box. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm SM8750AB Snapdragon 8 Elite, built on a 3nm process, offering efficient performance. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro uses the Qualcomm SM8650AB Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on a 4nm process. While both chipsets are powerful, the 3nm process in the Honor may provide better efficiency and performance. The Honor Magic 7 Pro features an LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, while the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro has an LTPO AMOLED display with an impressive 165Hz refresh rate. The higher refresh rate on the Asus device is particularly beneficial for gaming, providing smoother visuals during fast-paced action. Both devices support HDR, but the Honor Magic 7 Pro also includes AI defocus eye protection, enhancing user comfort during extended use. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro features an always-on display, which is convenient for quick notifications. Each has its unique strengths in display features. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is equipped with the Adreno 830 GPU, while the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro features the Adreno 750 GPU. The performance difference may not be significant for everyday use, but gamers may prefer the GPU in the Honor for its slightly better graphics handling. For video recording, the Honor Magic 7 Pro supports up to 4K at various frame rates and offers impressive slow-motion capabilities. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro takes it a step further with 8K video recording, making it a compelling option for those who prioritize high-resolution video content. The added resolution on the Asus provides more detail for serious videographers. The Honor Magic 7 Pro includes an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which is generally faster and more reliable than the optical fingerprint sensor in the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. This can enhance the user experience, especially for those who frequently unlock their devices. The Honor Magic 7 Pro boasts features like AI translation and Magic Cube personalization, enhancing user interaction. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro includes gaming-centric features like air trigger controls and thermal efficiency enhancements, making it a better fit for gamers. Each device caters to different user needs, showcasing their unique strengths. Finally, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is priced between $800 and $950, while the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro comes in at around $1,055 or $1,149. The price difference may influence your decision based on the features and performance you prioritize.